Hi everyone, I'm here with Kaitlyn and she's going to be doing her science experiment for the school science fair.
This is going to be my first video today and I'm really excited and kind of nervous.
What's the problem for your science experiment?
We don't know how much salt to make an egg float.
How many tablespoons of salt do you think you'll need to put in the water for an egg to float?
I think I'll need 7 tablespoons of salt to make an egg float in water.
List the materials that you're going to use. In a science experiment, there are 2 variables. You have a controlled variable and an independent variable. The controlled variable is everything in the experiment that does not change.
I think the part that's going to be the same in our experiment is the cup of water.
What else will be the same?
We're going to use the same tablespoon.
Yes.
But the egg is also going to stay the same.
Yes, so the egg
We're not going
will
to
stay-
scramble the egg.
No, we're not going to scramble the egg.
The amount of water is going to stay the same.
Step number 3, the procedure. List the steps of everything you do in the experiment. Step 1, take a cup. Step 2.
So here I have the egg. And I'm going to put it in the cup
drop
like
it, yeah.
so.
There you go.
Just put it gently. But now I'm going to fill this up right here. Right to 3. The number 3 with water. Just making sure it's So this is filled up now.
Okay, so if it goes from 3 cups to 2.5 cups, how many cups is that?
A half a cup.
Half a cup. If we go from 3 cups to 2 cups, how many cups is that?
A whole cup.
Very good, that's 1 cup. Okay, that's half a cup, good. And that's 1 cup.
Oh, that looks pretty big. I'm just gonna check step 3 off.
Okay.
And now we're moving on to step 4.
All right, what's step 4?
Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the cup of water and egg.
Let's figure out what container we can use to maybe hold all of the salt.
Wait, Mommy, I got an idea.
What's your idea?
I'll use my magic wand from my science magic kit and I'll make a little cup appear.
Do your trick.
Bippity boppity cup appear.
I'm gonna pour salt into the cup.
Hey, Cammy.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good.
Hi, everybody. This is my little sister, Cam. Her real name is Cameron. We just call her Cam for short.
All right, hold the cup, Cammy.
I'm just gonna pour the salt in this cup.
Yeah.
Thank you, Cammy, for helping us.
You're welcome. I really like when you're here.
4. Read step 4 again.
Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the cup of water and egg.
Like that. There you go. Nice job. All right, 1 tablespoon.
So all I have
of
to
salt.
do is like scoop it back in the cup.
What
We
can you do?
have our tablespoon of salt.
Yes.
And now we're gonna pour the salt inside the cup.
Okay.
This is our step 4. Cammy, would you like to help me pour it in by using your other hand? Let's pour it in together. 3, 2, 1, pour.
All right.
Wow.
Ooh, the egg looks glittery. I'm gonna-
Wait a second. So now we're going to start recording your data. The amount of salt. How much salt did you add?
Only 1 tablespoon.
All right, so write 1 tea. Step 5 say?
And add salt 1 tablespoon at a time until the egg floats.
Very good.
Good
All right.
job, Cameron. You read
So
it.
who's going to spoon out the salt this time?
Cameron is going to spoon out the salt.
Okay.
And then Kaitlyn can do the scraping.
All right. I'll hold the cup for you. This is tablespoon number
2.
number 2. All right. Pour it in.
Do it back and forth so it can be fair for me and Cameron to scoop the salt.
Another one. Egg moved,
Yeah.
but it still didn't float.
But I can't believe we made the egg move.
Oh.
It must be close for making the egg float. Here you go, Cam.
Thank you.
Spoon number
6.
6. Look at the egg, look at the egg, look at the egg.
It's
It's moving.
It's still moving.
All right.
Aw, so cool.
Well, my idea didn't work. I thought
Really?
7 tablespoons will make it float.
Maybe
Yeah,
10
so you're-
will.
Eight tablespoon.
All right. Did you see what the egg did there?
I think it moved a little, Mom.
Yeah, instead of moving sideways, it actually jumped up a little bit.
I think it jumped a little higher.
All right, 11 tablespoons. Even higher. You see the top is touching the water.
It's touching the water? Wow.
When is this egg gonna float?
Probably is floating because part of it is at the top of the water.
That basically means that the egg is floating. How many tablespoons of salt did it take for the egg to float?
11.
11.
11 tablespoons of salt.
There we go, everybody. That's done for my experiment today. Click that like button right now. This is basically my first video, and I was nervous.
And you did great. Didn't you do good, Kaitlyn? Bye.
Bye.